Okay guys, so you tell me what's going on here. I'm not really sure. I have this clip coming up, one zoomed in and one slowed down. It was trash day, and they were about to pick up the trash that morning. And here it is zoomed in. Looks like he grabs something from his pocket, throws it in the trash, and looks back toward the door. You guys tell me what you think. And then I have it slowed down. Again, he just looks very suspicious. Tries to hurry from the pocket and getting it into the trash can, closing the lid, and then again looking back at the door. So let me know your thoughts on this, guys. I tell you what, I love my Ring doorbell. I'm seeing things that I never would have known was going on. So it's not a sponsored video, but I definitely love Ring. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.